Introducing the Wave 3, the 2025 new version. We're looking at the caramel fashion here today. It also comes in a black fashion, which is called licorice. So we have two fashions this year. The other big news with the Wave 3 is that everything is included in the box for two kids. It future-proofs the purchase. So in the box, it's going to include obviously the frame. It's going to include the bassinet, which is overnight sleep approved. It's going to come with the tandem seat, so they're not going to have to purchase that as an extra down the road. It also comes with the toddler seat, which will sit on the top of the stroller. Comes with a cup holder. It comes with these bassinet risers, and it also comes with these tandem connectors. So the tandem connectors is what allows the stroller to be able to use it for two kids right out of the box. Also included is two rain covers and a mosquito net. So tons of value packed into the stroller. It's competitively priced. They brought the price point down, including the tandem seat. So it's super value. So now that the stroller is kind of stripped down to the frame, we can talk about the frame. So the frame is it's a magnesium alloy, so it's really durable and nice and strong. You have the full leather handlebar on the top, and you have lots of really good height adjustments on the stroller. So it gives a super good range of handle heights. The adapters that are on the stroller are height adjustable. So they just kind of wave or roll forward. So it'll give you another seating option. So the bassinet or the toddler seat can sit at two heights. When the connectors are at the higher height, then mom or dad's not going to have to bend down as deep to put the baby in and out of the stroller. When they're at a food court, it's going to sit more table height, so it'll be great for feeding time. They have a new larger basket on the Wave 3, really nice footrest, so as the baby turns into a toddler, it'll be easier for them to jump in and jump out of the stroller. They have improved suspension. The locking mechanism is just on the back, so you tap the green button to take the lock off, press down to put the lock on, so they're flip-flop friendly. When you're folding the stroller, you're just going to put your fingers through the holes here, and then you'll press down on the button to undo the lock. You'll pull the slides up, and then fold the stroller down. So it's really simple to fold. There's a storage latch just on the side, so you'll just lift that up. So we start off with the use of the stroller, and when parent has baby number one, they'll use the bassinet. So the bassinet they'll use in the stroller from birth up until 20 pounds, or until the baby has enough strength that they can start to lift themselves up. Then they'll take the bassinet off and switch over to the stroller seat. So the fabrics that they use, it's a new fabric. It's wrinkle proof. Wherever the baby's skin's not touching, they're using some recycled plastic bottles. So they take the plastic and turn it into a thread, and then they weave the fabrics. Where baby is not touching, they're using a bamboo fabric. So the bamboo is a natural fiber, and it's moisture wicking, and it's antimicrobial. The bassinet apron has a zipper, so you can undo the zipper for easy access to put the baby in and out. The bassinet is overnight sleep approved. You can buy a bassinet stand, so if you want to use the bassinet for overnight sleeping when mom comes home from the hospital, that's a great option as well. So then the baby outgrows the bassinet. You'll take the bassinet off, and you'll take the canopy and the belly bar off of the bassinet, and you'll either put it onto the tandem seat or the toddler seat. So you'll bring your toddler seat out, and the toddler seat can be parent facing, or you can turn it around and be world facing. So it can be either direction. You can change the height if you like. You're going to use the toddler seat and the tandem seat. You would use it up until 55 pounds. So total weight in the stroller of children, you could have a combined weight of 110 pounds. So it's a really good weight capacity for a stroller. You're not going to have to worry about the babies or the children outgrowing the stroller because they've gotten too heavy. So then baby number 2 comes along. So you'll bring out your bassinet risers. That'll make the bassinet sit higher on the frame. And you'll bring out the tandem connectors, and they just slide on the front. And you'll take your tandem seat. You know that the tandem seat, the adapters on the side have a little bit of a bend in them, and they will only go on the bottom part of the stroller here. So that'll go on the front of the stroller, and you'll take your bassinet, and your bassinet will be on the top. And so you'll use this again until the baby is 20 pounds, and then you'll bring out the toddler seat again. And you can use that up to 55 pounds. You can have different configurations. So the seat, you could have toddler seat facing parent, tandem seat could be world facing. You could have both of them facing parent. So it gives you lots of options on seating arrangements. Silvercross has a 3-year warranty as well. So they can either contact customer service through the website, or they can go back to you and you can send us the information and we'll forward it over to customer service and they'll take it from there. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.